good day. This is Dr. Core Fix. Today I'm gonna be talking about car painting and what you need to know about oven bake. You see, a lot of people so much like oven bake, oven bake, oven bake. Why do we use oven bake? Why do cars need to be baked? They need to be baked for some reason that some of you guys don't understand, and today I'm gonna be giving you some details why it needs oven bake. Some other question which a lot of you guys are gonna be asking is, between the car that is baked and the car that is not baked, which one will the paint last more? And I'm also gonna be attending to that in this very video. So this car is fully wrapped and is ready to be painted, to be given a base coat. No need for priming, because the paint, there is no really a serious of a paint job right here that is performed on this very car. No dent really, no really dent fixed. So just this little one here, and here is very smooth, like, you know, so glossy to touch. And that is what you want to do before the primer, before you start to prime the body. Then after priming the body, then you can apply the base coat. Then after the base coat, then you talk about the clear coat. Now another question again is, which a lot of you guys are going to be asking, is how many coat does my car need? From my experience, I think the coat is what is going to make it to last. And it is not bad if you're going to be giving it like 2 coatings of a base coat. Then you can go a heck lot, like 4 to 5 clear coat. And the reason for the clear coat there, that is the main reason which a lot of you guys who talk about oven bake don't really get it, except if it is someone who is really experienced. Now let's go to some other car. Okay, you can see this car right here is just done with the painting. If I go through the spraying, if I go through you can see how shiny it is. If I go through some of it and start showing you some details, you might be feeling that you might not be looking this job to be very extremely clean the way it's supposed to be. But in some case, you don't need to screw anybody. You have to know what you're looking out for, the specification, before you can now say, okay, this is what I want. This is what I want this whole thing to be. But if it is not well done, I'm going to be showing you some little rough edge here, what we look out for when we're trying to paint a car. You can see this is a drop of a clear coat. You can see some bumps right here, so it's not so smooth to my taste. Right now you can see some other part here. You're gonna be removing some of the masking tape off, so you can be able to seal the real trim line that goes there. Then if we start to go furthermore, it's still gonna show you some flaws, but if you're looking at it on the camera, you will not be able to completely get it. Now, so let me address the question, why do you need oven bake? Oven bake is most often required when you decided that you want to give the car multiple clear coats. You can see this one right here. I can be able to tell that this is just maybe like just one coat or 2 coats. And you know why it's very important for the oven bake? Is because if you give it a first clear coat, then that is why you gotta get it into the oven to bake it. So because the base coat, the primer, they dry ASAP. We're talking about, and it's dry. But the clear coat takes quite a long time for it to dry. And in order for you to catalyze the process, you know, to quicken the fast rate at which the clear coat dries, then that is where you're gonna be needing the oven bake. Then after the oven bake, then you are clear hot to start getting another coating right on it. So you can go, like I said, after applying the first clear coat, you can apply the next one, apply again, that's apply, then allow it to get baked. When it dry, you apply another one until you get up to third, fourth, or even 5. Now the importance of having multiple clear coats is, if suppose you are trying to make a long-term decision about on the painting, on the spray painting, it's very important that it have a multiple layers of clear coat, because the more the layer it have, the clear coat is what shields it from UV radiations and harsh sunlight. So if you have just little, maybe like one coat of a clear coat, that's when you start finding maybe within a year or two, the car will start fading, the paint will start fading. If suppose it does occur to me before I start making this video, I should have shown you the before of this Camry 2015 model that we are painting right now. It has undergone another painting apart from the painting that the manufacturers painted. So you should imagine that that's 2015 Camry, and it has undergone another painting that's like 6 years ago. It has undergone another painting, now it's about to undergo another one. So in my own analogy, when you are trying to get the best paint product, spray paint product that you want to use on your car, I think the most important part is not just about the base coat, but the clear coat. The company that makes the best clear coat is what you should be looking out for, because that is what is going to be giving you a long-term decision effect. And now, other reason why you need multiple clear coat is when the car stays up to like 3 or 4 years, and if suppose you don't have a garage that have a roof where you're going to be parking your car, then pretty much the paint is going to fade sooner than later. So, but if suppose you park it under the sunlight, yeah, it's gonna fade more faster. If you park it under a garage where there is a roof over it, then the sun and the UV light is not gonna destroy the clear coat. But even if it does, let's say within 2-3 years, then you can buff it. When you buff it, it's gonna come out very clean and shiny and glazing, like you see this one right here. Okay, so with that said, now I know you have the full scope why if you want your painters or whichever, even if you're doing a DIY, you should know that the clear coat is the main shiny luster, is a shiny part that makes it glazing the way it is right now. So the main reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of people who even want their car to be baked don't even know what they are looking out for. A lot of their friends told them that it's oven baked, and boom, they want oven baked without knowing actually the specification that is required, that the technician or whomever is doing the painting job, the paint shop has to follow in order to achieve the incredible and great effects which they want to get. So now that you know it, I think some other times, if suppose you're taking your car to a paint shop, you should be able to know exactly what you're looking out for. You have to tell him strictly. If you have to be there, it's not a problem. If you have to be there and tell him that, look, I want this to come out clean and I want multiple clear coat, because the clear coat is what actually guard the main base coat. The clear coat is the first one that gets start depreciating, that start fading after a long term. We're talking about maybe like 2 years or even a year. There are some paintings, spray painting that I've seen over 6 months, they start having issue. And I think that's the main reason why I decided to make this video. So those, if you follow these step procedures, if you understand this, what I discussed in this very video very well, then I don't think you're gonna be having a problem when someone, when you take your car to a paint shop. And the quality also comes to play, because you can use a terrible material to be able to get a very good lasting finishing and good result. So with that said, if you find this very helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, And drop me a comment below this description if you are confused in any part or any other part in which you want me to throw some to highlight, and I'm gonna gladly do that, and I hope to catch you guys later. Don't forget, this is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Bye for now. Maybe before I go, let me take you to some other places.